Looking for cafe-quality coffee at home? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the NESPRESSO Vertuo Up Solo. With one-touch brewing, smart barcode technology, and rich crema, it makes delicious espresso and coffee in seconds. Let's check it out. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the NESPRESSO Vertuo Up. Rotative water tank, drip tray and cup support, starter pack, Aeroccino3 milk frother, manuals and documentation. Product features. Enjoy your favorite coffee with a single press of a button. The NESPRESSO Vertuo Up automatically handles the entire brewing process, making it quick and effortless to prepare consistently delicious coffee without adjusting any settings manually. Every Vertuo capsule features a unique barcode that the machine scans before brewing. It automatically adjusts the water volume, brewing time, temperature, and extraction parameters to deliver the ideal flavor profile and a rich, velvety crema for each coffee blend. Create smooth, velvety hot or cold milk foam in just seconds for a wide variety of cafe-style beverages. Whether you're making a cappuccino, latte, flat white, or iced coffee, the Aeroccino3 delivers rich, creamy froth with one-touch operation and is easy to clean after use. Designed with a slim, elegant profile, the Vertuo Up fits easily on small kitchen countertops, office desks, or coffee stations. Its modern appearance complements any decor, while its space-saving footprint makes it an excellent choice for homes where countertop space is limited. Technical specifications. Product overview. Designed for ultimate versatility and style, the NESPRESSO Vertuo Up features an intuitive lever for capsule loading and clean dual-function buttons and an LED interface right on top. Centrally positioned, the coffee outlet delivers your favorite brews seamlessly, supported by an internal maintenance module that keeps your machine running cleanly. Down front, the adjustable cup support paired with a removable drip grid adapts effortlessly to any cup size, while the standout water tank and lid boast a 180-degree rotative base to match any countertop space perfectly. At the top, a dedicated maintenance button provides quick access to system upkeep, while a connectivity LED indicator keeps you informed of your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi status. Below, the specialized Coffee Creations button unlocks concentrated brewing for milk-based and iced recipes, anchored by the primary on or off and coffee button for effortless, one-touch brewing. How to use. Fill the rotative water tank with fresh drinking water and place it back securely. Plug the machine into a power outlet, press the power button, and wait about 3 seconds until the indicator light becomes steady. Lift the lever and insert a compatible Vertuo coffee capsule into the capsule holder. Close and lock the machine, place your cup under the coffee outlet, then press the coffee button for a regular brew or the Coffee Creations button for milk-based and iced coffee recipes. Pour milk into the Aeroccino3 up to the appropriate fill line and attach the lid. Press the button once for hot milk foam or hold it for 2 seconds for cold milk foam. When the frothing cycle is complete, pour the milk into your freshly brewed coffee and enjoy your drink. Once brewing is complete, lift the lever to automatically eject the used capsule into the built-in container. Empty the capsule container regularly, refill the water tank when needed, and wipe the exterior and drip tray to keep the machine clean and ready for the next brew. How to pair? Download and install the Nespresso app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Turn on Bluetooth and connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, then sign in or create a Nespresso account. Turn on the NESPRESSO Vertuo Up and open the Nespresso app. Tap Add a Machine and follow the on-screen instructions to put the coffee machine into pairing mode. Select the Vertuo Up Solo from the list of available devices and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is complete, the app will confirm successful pairing, allowing you to access smart features such as custom cup sizing, temperature adjustment, and maintenance alerts. Maintenance. Empty the used capsule container and drip tray on a regular basis to prevent overflow and keep the machine hygienic. Wipe the exterior with a soft, damp cloth. Rinse the water tank with fresh water and clean the coffee outlet and capsule holder to remove any coffee residue. Run the descaling program using the recommended Nespresso descaling solution whenever the machine notifies you or according to your local water hardness. Regular descaling removes mineral buildup, helps maintain brewing performance, and extends the life of the machine. Refill the water tank with fresh drinking water before each use and remove used capsules after every brew. Regularly check that the capsule holder and coffee outlet are clean to ensure smooth operation and consistently great-tasting coffee. Turn off the Aeroccino3 and remove it from the base. Rinse the whisk and lid seal with water, then clean the inside of the jug using a soft, non-abrasive sponge. Do not immerse the jug in water or place it in a dishwasher. Dry all parts, reassemble, and store the spare whisk in its holder. Safety tips. Use indoors only. Avoid hot surfaces. Use the correct voltage. Handle hot liquids carefully. Unplug before cleaning. Use compatible capsules only. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.